How to share any Excel document as PDF to WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share any Microsoft Excel document as a PDF to WhatsApp directly. So all what you have to do, go to Excel, choose the document that you want to share and go to the top right here, click on this icon and now choose share as attachment option. Now click on PDF and wait a few seconds. Now choose WhatsApp right here. Easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.